Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a huge Isawitfirst haul. I really want to thank the Isawitfirst team for today's video. They let me go on their website and choose whatever I wanted, so thank you so much. Everything in today's video has been #adgifted. They are an affordable online clothing brand and they do all the latest like on trend clothes, so they're great. Today's video is going to be a try on haul, so everything is literally laid out here on my bed and I'm going to be trying it on as we go. So if you do enjoy today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already as well. If you want to join the family, we're nearly at 15,000 subscribers, which is a little bit crazy, so yeah, subscribe if you want to join us and let's just get into it. I think it's worth mentioning as well that Isawitfirst often have really big discounts on. Like when I was going through and choosing everything from the website, they had 50% off everything, so everything in this video, if you see it on the website, like it was half the price. So the first things that I chose were these trainers. Oh my goodness, they are so nice. I love them. When I'm not at work, I live in trainers. This is what they look like. They're this nude colour and they're gorgeous. I'm just going to turn the lighting down a little bit so that you can see the colour better. Oh, that's better. This is what they look like. They're stunning. They go with everything. I think that's the main reason why I like them, because they go with absolutely everything, and I've been wanting a pair of nude / beige trainers for such a long time, so yeah, I got these. I've actually worn these out a few times and they're comfortable. They are not the most comfortable trainers I've ever wore, I'm not gonna lie. They're not as comfortable as my Adidas Superstars, for example, but I don't really think that you'd buy these for the comfort element anyway. I think you'd buy them for the style and the fashion element, so yeah, I got these. I love them. They go with so much, so love them. I also picked up a pair of jeans. I've put a belt with them, so that's why they've got the belt on. They didn't come with the belt, don't get too excited, but I got these pair of blue mom jeans. This is what they look like. You can't see them too well in this shot. I've been wanting some blue denim mom jeans for ages because the only ones that I really love are my ASOS mom jeans that are like a charcoaly grey colour, so I've wanted some blue ones. These are quite a bright blue colour if I'm honest, and they are actually really nice. They go with so much stuff. I really like them. I will insert a try on clip here so that you can get a good vision of what they really look like and what they feel like. So this is what they look like. I've put them with this oversized top, which is actually quite old. I don't even think I'll be able to link it down below. These are the jeans. They are quite a generous size 10. These are, I forgot to say, these are in a size 10, but yeah, they're quite generous. They're not skin tight. They are quite baggy. They're a little bit baggy around the crotch area, I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, I've rolled them up. They did actually come and they were quite long, so I have rolled them up twice just so you get an idea of how long they are. I really like the fit. They're really comfortable because they're not skin tight. They are quite easy to just throw on, so yeah, I really like these. I reckon I will wear these all the time because they're gonna go with so much stuff. Next up is this white jumper that I ordered. Oh my god, I've wanted one of these for so long. It's just a plain white jumper with a big pocket down the front of it. I got this in a size... what size did I get this in? So I got this in a medium and it just looks so comfy. I feel like I'm just going to be able to throw this jumper on the top of my outfit that I've currently got on. Shall I just do that? It feels so soft on the inside. Oh my goodness. Trying my very best not to get makeup on the collar. I've seen these absolutely everywhere and I feel like every man and his dog has got one of these jumpers. A few people have commented on these videos where I obviously try on as I go that you can't see the full length of the clothes, so I'm trying my best to get in like the full length and the full fit of every single item. So yeah, this is really long. It did say on the website it was oversized, so I'm not complaining, but this is how low. I'd probably bring it up a little bit so it was like that. In fact, could I even tuck this in? No, I mean literally look at the state. I think one thing to note about this is that it's not that thick. It's quite a thin hoodie. It's not really thick and warm, but I reckon I could actually wear this today. Like the sun is kind of coming out. Just what I wanted. It's got a little hood as well. I feel like I look like E.T. E.T. phone home. Oh my god, why am I so weird? Bless me. So I just thought I would put in this clip because I thought that the white hoodie went really well with these jeans. So I don't know how you could swag, like I really want to tuck it in and like have it like that, like a little bit cropped. Like that would look so cool. Maybe I should look for a cropped one of these. If you guys know where they do cropped white hoodies like this, let me know. But yeah, I really do like this. It's something that I will wear a lot because I love a hoodie. This is what this outfit looks like. I've kept the trainers on as well. Looks really nice. Yay! Okay, so I'm going to move on to more going out clothes next. I thought I'd take a bit of a risk and order something that I wouldn't normally wear. I got these snake print culottes, which look like this. They actually look really nice. They are wide leg culottes, by the way, and they've got this belt that looks like it's going to tie around the front. This looked really, really cute on the model, so I'm hoping it's going to look nice on me. It's got a zip down the side, so that's how it's going to fasten. It's not got a button or anything, so I ordered them, and then to go with it I ordered this top, which I have actually worn twice already out in public. I've worn it once to work and once out for some drinks. So it's this cream top, which is a lot more oversized than what I thought it was going to be, because on the website it looked, I mean, it looked kind of cropped, to be honest. It didn't look as long as this, but it's so nice. It goes right up, oh, that's the back actually. It goes right up to there, and it just looks really, really nice. The arms are a really good length as well, but I'll try it on so you can see it. Yeah, I got these two to go together, and I've not tried these on together, so let's try them. Wish me luck. Okay, so I mean, I don't really think that the two go together because this is quite a thick top. I've tried to tuck it in, but obviously because it is so long, like literally, let me show you how long this is. Like, it literally took a lot of tucking in just now. Literally, this is how long the top normally is, and because it's so thick, it doesn't really tuck in very well. But these are the trousers. I actually like them a lot. They are a perfect length for me. I feel like if I put some heels on with this, which I have actually got some heels, but yeah, they fit really well, and they've got this belt here. I like them both, but just not together, so I will put on something different with them both so that you can see what they properly look like in an outfit. Okay, I've just found this top from an unknown deep and dark place in my wardrobe, so hi to this top that I've literally never worn before, that's got the tag in that I can't even remember buying. But it's literally just this plain black top, but they go a lot better with this. They are slightly see-through. You can see the outline of my underwear here, so that's not great. I forgot to mention that before, as if. So I don't really know how I'm going to work these because they're see-through. I don't do see-through. That's not great, is it? And this is what the top looks like. I literally just styled it with this long pleated midi skirt from ASOS, which I've actually had for quite a while, and I have actually worn this out. I wore it out last week, but I didn't vlog or anything, so you would have seen it. But yeah, it does actually go with so many things. Like, this top goes with so much, obviously because it's white, and I don't know, it's just one of them tops that you literally just, I feel like I'm gonna end up wearing this all the time. Love this top. Okay, next up is some shoes. I ordered some heels. I ordered some heels. I don't often wear heels, but when I do, I like a good nude pair. That sounded wrong, didn't it? You know what I mean, you know what I mean. So I ordered these, which are stunning. Oh my god, they're actually so nice. They've got quite a chunky heel. They've got a little strap that'll go around your ankle. They've got this strap here across the front. They're not too high. I think these would be really cute for a wedding, or if you're going out for a meal or something. They're a really, really nice height. They're not too in your face. They are the kind of heel that I reckon I will wear a lot. I'm actually going to a wedding in a couple of weeks, so I guess I'll wear them there. I'm going to try them on with this outfit and see what they look like. Oh, they actually kind of go with this outfit. I feel like a mum. I feel like one of them fancy, gorgeous mums who goes to pick the kids up from school, like, oh yes, we're just going out dancing, me and the hubby later. That's what I feel like right now. But yeah, they actually do go with this outfit. These are so nice. I feel like I'm going to wear these all the time for like every occasion where I need to wear heels. I'll be like, oh, I'll just put them on. So yeah, these are really nice. I feel like they're going to be quite comfortable as well. Shall I do the walking test? I'll walk down the hallway, walking around in them, seeing how they feel. They're actually comfortable. They're actually like as comfortable as heels can be, because they've got quite a big heel. They're quite secure. Another thing that I picked up was a blazer. Now, I have wanted a black blazer for quite some time now. Like, I've been on the hunt for a nice black blazer, so I picked this one up. It's got these gold buttons across the front. You can't see it too well, so I think the best bet is for me to put it on. So I'm just gonna lower the camera and I'm just literally just gonna put it on with this outfit that I've got on right now. Oh, okay. I didn't think the arms were gonna be skin tight, but that's fine. Oh, okay. I did not expect it to look like this. How would this work then? Would you have to like do up all of the buttons? Oh my god, this looks awful. Look at the utter state of me right now. Don't know what to say anymore. This looks very weird. I was not expecting it to look like this. It did not look like this on the website. Okay, I'm not a massive fan. Let me just try undo all the buttons and see what that looks like, because it's not going well so far. If you had it hanging loose, maybe it would look okay, but it looks more like a cardigan than a blazer, if I'm honest. Getting more cardigan vibes than I am smart, cool, swaggy blazer. I don't feel like this is going to be the blazer that I've been hoping and dreaming about. Just let me know what you guys think in the comments, like how would I style this? I just wasn't expecting the arms to be like so skin tight. Like I thought it was going to be more of a fitted, oversized baggy blazer. Last but not least, after the kind of disappointing blazer situation, I've actually got a lot of hope for this next thing, and it is a lounge set. This is the last thing in this haul, but I ordered a matching lounge set, which I have actually been wanting for quite a while because I love comfortable clothes. I literally live in baggy, comfortable stuff, so I thought I'd get a lounge set. I got this black two-piece. These are the bottoms. It's this ribbed material, if you can see, which I like, and it's just matching bottoms and top. It looks more fitted than what it looked on the website, so I'm just going to try it on and see what I look like. Fingers crossed that I look okay. Okay, this is not what I was expecting, but I actually kind of like it. The top is really long, like it splits at the side here, and then it's got this big like panel bit at the bottom. The bottoms are more like leggings. I thought they were going to be more like baggy, like pajama bottom style, but they're not. They're more like leggings. They're actually quite comfortable. They're quite long. If you can see, I'll just show you my leg. Like they go really far down, so you could either roll these up or just keep them like baggy on your leg. I actually kind of like this. I can see myself like lazing around the house in it. Maybe even with like a nice red coat and some nice trainers or something, it would be passable to go out in. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Okay, you guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. I feel like I got through everything really quick. Yeah, I really liked a lot of the things. I think my favourite thing from today's haul would have to be, well, I really liked this top. I thought this looked really cute, and I also absolutely love the trainers. Where are the trainers? Oh, they're on the floor. Oh my god, I love these. Yeah, I think it would have to be these. These are my favourite things from today's video. I feel like I'm gonna wear these all the time. Let me know in the comments what your guys' favourite thing was from today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you so much again to the Isawitfirst team. You absolute babes. I'm so grateful for you sending me all these things. Like, I'm so lucky and so thankful, and I'm also so thankful for you guys watching, because if it wasn't for you guys, then literally like I would not be here doing this video. So thank you so much. I really do hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you again next week for another video. Bye guys.